Hello. We develop air cleaning blowers specifically to clean and blow air in extremely dusty environments, such as steel plants, quarries, and military equipment. They clean air by using only the momentum of the particles, no filter elements, cartridges, or bags, thereby eliminating clogging and filter maintenance. In addition, unlike cyclonic systems, they don't spin the debris around, they just throw it out. No clogging means ACBs deliver clean air at predictable and constant airflow, constant air pressure, constant air quality, and constant energy consumption. This first segment shows air cleaning blowers can handle heavy dust loads. No matter how fast the sawdust is dumped into the unit, the air moving the streamer stays clean. This airflow would support such applications as ventilating and pressurizing electrical enclosures, military vehicles, and control rooms. The second segment shows a small prototype unit that we 3D printed to show how effectively even small ACBs can clean air. You'll see that essentially nothing but clean air passes through the unit. This airflow would be suitable for such uses as keeping computers clean and for wearable personal protection devices, including pressurized masks. This third segment shows how well ACBs handle even severe weather, and it will take out mist, rain, and snow, as well as dust, pollen, sand, and other debris. As a result, it will keep whatever it is feeding clean and dry, such as downstream activated carbon or a classroom. This last model of ACB is one that we developed for a manufacturer of medium voltage electric drives to both clean the air and cool the drives themselves. It has about 15 times the air moving capacity of the last unit at about 3,500 CFM. As you can see, the ACBs are widely scalable and can be adapted for many other kinds of uses, such as swamp coolers to keep media clean even in dusty environments. During the COVID-19 pandemic, ACBs can provide spaces as small as ticket booths and as large as classrooms, or even entire buildings, with sufficient changes of clean air to drive out or to dilute to safe levels the concentrations of airborne respiratory droplets and aerosols. We also incorporate ACBs into additional products, such as the PPE that you see here, that protects people passively while working close to the public or their fellow workers. Here's a list of applications for the ACBs, ranging from industrial and agricultural to military and personal protection equipment. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and please contact us if you have an application with which an air cleaning blower might help. We would be glad to work with you to choose or develop the most suitable equipment for your applications.